Today I'm sharing my ultimate green spice recipe, a bold fusion of Cameroon and Caribbean flavors that brings depth, freshness, and serious aroma to your cooking. This is the kind of green seasoning you use once and never go back to store-bought cubes or powders. It works beautifully for fish, chicken, meat, and stew, and the best part is that it's made with real, fresh ingredients you can trust. This green spice combines the rich, earthy flavors common in Cameroon cooking with the bright, herb-forward notes you find in Caribbean kitchens. The result is a thick, fragrant blend that penetrates food deeply and transforms even the simplest dish into something special. There's no water added, no artificial flavoring, just pure flavor in a jar. For this recipe, we're using 1 cup of fresh parsley, 1 cup of fresh cilantro, fresh basil leaves, green onions, 1 green bell pepper, 1 medium onion, cloves of garlic, fresh ginger, Scotch bonnet peppers adjusted to your heat level, fresh thyme leaves, country onion, njansang, white pepper, olive oil, and the juice of half a lime. Each ingredient plays a role, from heat and aroma to depth and freshness. Start by washing all your herbs and vegetables thoroughly. This step is very important because clean ingredients help your green spice last longer in the fridge. After washing, allow everything to drain completely. Too much water will make your seasoning watery and shorten its shelf life, and we want a thick, concentrated paste. Next, roughly chop your ingredients. Chop the onion, green bell pepper, garlic, ginger, green onions, parsley, cilantro, basil, and thyme. There's no need to chop finely, just enough to help the blender work smoothly. If you're using whole njansang, lightly crush it first so it blends evenly into the mixture. Now it's time to blend. Add your ingredients to the blender starting with olive oil at the bottom. This helps the blades move easily without adding water. Add the garlic and ginger next, followed by the onion and green bell pepper. Then add the green onions, parsley, cilantro, basil, and thyme. Drop in the Scotch bonnet peppers, then add the njansang, country onion, and white pepper. Finally, squeeze in the juice of half a lime. Blend until smooth but thick. The texture should be rich and spoonable, not runny. Once blended, check the texture and taste. The color should be a vibrant green and the aroma should be strong and fresh. You can add a little more olive oil if it's too thick. This seasoning should smell alive and powerful. This green spice is extremely versatile. For fish, rub it generously and let it marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes before grilling, frying, or steaming. For chicken or meat, mix it well into the protein and marinate anywhere from 2 hours to overnight for deep flavor. For stews, heat oil in a pot and fry the green spice for about 10 minutes before adding tomatoes, stock, or meat. Cooking it releases its aroma and removes any raw taste. To store, transfer the green spice into a clean glass jar. Smooth the top and lightly cover it with a thin layer of olive oil to protect it from air. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks, or freeze in small portions for longer storage. This way, you always have flavor ready when you need it. This Cameroon and Caribbean green spice fusion is bold, natural, and packed with real ingredients. Once you try it, you'll understand why homemade seasoning always wins. Save this recipe, share it with someone who loves cooking, and enjoy flavor that speaks for itself.